Hare Krishna. Many times people ask this question, why should I chant on the beads? I always remember Krishna in my mind. I am always chanting the names of Krishna in my mind. So why should I chant on the beads? So for argument's sake, yes, it sounds very good. But where is the problem? If you give the same argument to your family, to your wife, to your husband, to your children, if you give same argument, I am remembering you all the time while I am doing my work, when I am doing my activities, office work or driving my car. So I am always remembering you. But I am very sorry, I don't have time for you to sit down with you, to take you on shopping, to take you on some tourism, for holiday, for vacation. I don't have any time for you, but I am always remembering you all the time. What will be their reaction? They will say, whatever you are doing, that's okay, but we need some time from you. We want to spend some time with you. So same way we need to spend some time with Krishna. Krishna has given us 24 hours in a day. We need to set aside some fixed time, dedicated time for Krishna, where we sit down and chant the names of Krishna. Because that is our connection with Krishna, to spend some time with Krishna. Same way people will argue many times, why to count the names? Why to count how many names you are chanting? They will quote Ghalib saying, तोड़ दी गालिब ने तस्बीह ये कहकर, क्यों नाम लूं उसका गिनकर जो देता है बेहिसाब. That God is giving us unlimitedly. Why should I chant His name by counting? Just chant the names, that's okay. So again, for argument's sake, this sounds very good. But all our activities we count. When you keep your money in your bank or in your locker or wherever, you count the money. We count again and again. When you give some donation to somebody, you count. You don't just take out from your pocket and give everything. Okay, whatever it is, just take it. When you go to the temple, so you put that donation by counting. You will count, oh, I need to put this much. You don't just put everything in the dan peti there, in the donation box, saying everything belongs to Krishna, let me just give everything. So we count, we keep our money very carefully. But when it comes to chanting the name of Krishna, we say, why to count? Just chant whatever you can. So the name of Krishna, they are not anything belonging to this material world. Krishna's name are coming from spiritual world. Golokera prem dhan harinam sankirtan. So why we should not count that spiritual wealth? So chant the name of Krishna by counting a fixed number of rounds. We want to follow some particular, some writer, some shair, or we want to follow the great sages, great devotees of the Lord, who have given up this process, who have taught us by their example to chant the names of Krishna on beads by counting. So it's very important to understand, because our mind will always be giving us some tricks or other. Because of our conditioning, mind keep proposing these arguments, give these logics, but we need to be very careful. We need to understand it from the right source and take to this process of chanting the holy name. Srila Prabhupada has given the process of chanting 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra on the beads. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So one mantra is 16 names. 108 times becomes one mala, and you chant 16 mala, that is equivalent to almost 25,000 names of God. And in a day, a healthy person takes about 25,000 breaths. And we say, in each breath, I want to have the name of Krishna. I want to have name of God. So that is, there you go. So to take the name of God in every breath, we need to take 25,000 names of Krishna every day. And in 16 mala, you are able to do that. So it's a very scientific process. Chanting the names of God on beads, a fixed number of rounds every day. And in that way, we can connect with the Supreme Lord and we can become eligible to go back to the spiritual world and make our life successful. So be careful about the tricks of the mind. and take to this process of chanting the holy names on your beads. Hare Krishna.